Using a van for your livelihood means that you need to get it right the first time. Gear can't break down because it costs you money. Full floor deckouts in a van aren't cheap and most cost around 4K plus, but look at what you are getting. Every inch of space is utilised and gear can be stored away neatly and safely. Not only that, your expensive equipment is under lock and key. Now that's peace of mind. Here at RV, we custom the fit out to suit the vehicle and the user. Shown here is the premium trade height steel drawers in the rear and out the side doors, with lift out panels where required. Look at all the room that is achieved, which means you become neat, organised and efficient. What value do you put on your time looking for that lost tool or component? Australian owned and Australian made, and what's more, we give you a no-nonsense lifetime warranty. If you are looking for fleet options, we do many different applications, including van racking if required. Give us a call today and speak to us about your work requirements, what you need to carry and what capacities you need. We make buying drawer systems easy and uncomplicated. Factory tours are available or just visit us in our showroom.